Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
Honey, what's wrong? Is Paris sick? Anak, are you not feeling well?
Okay na si Paris, Han. Kanina lang she was just venting to me her frustrations of having to go through another year na naman daw online. Akala niya kasi itong last year niya sa senior high, makaka-experience na siya ng face-to-face class. So, na-disappoint yung bata.
Quite frustrating.
Dad, I just feel anxious. I never expect that this whole new online learning will extend to another year. I was hoping I could still spend my last year of senior high on site. It's really depressing, Mom.
It's okay, anak.
Alam mo, Paris, your Kuya Daniel also feels the same way. Actually, hindi ka naman nag-iisa dyan. Can you imagine lahat ng batchmates niya, lahat sila graduate, online lang lahat. All of them are looking forward to experiencing a university life only to find out na hindi nga pwede dahil online class nga sila, di ba? Alam mo, honey, all of them, anak, are quite disappointed. But wala naman tayong magagawa. Kung hindi, let's learn to adjust and learn to adapt to the new normal.
You know what, Dad? I know of some friends who won't enroll to college if it's only online. Honestly, when the pandemic hit us and schools shifted to online learning, many students expected that it would be convenient. Imagine attending classes in our beds with breakfast on the side, lesser assignments, and more freedom. But in reality, online classes became burdensome with a lot of pressure, deadlines, and internet problems. I don't feel motivated at all.
Yeah.
Expectations versus reality.
For the past year, many parents went through mental anxiety and had gone through a lot of stress due to financial struggles, health and safety concerns, and fear of the unknown. Alam niyo po, our children are never exempted because there are a lot of students today who are mentally and emotionally bothered by the burden of having to go through another year online. Marami po kasi sa kanila, kasama ng mga anak namin na nagkaroon ng hindi magandang karanasan sa online learning. At bilang mga magulang, hindi po natin ito dapat baliwalain. So, Bong, let us talk about how we can help our kids manage their frustrations.
Sige po. Number 1, validate your child's feelings. Listen and be attentive to what they have to say. Hindi yung pag nag-express sila ng emotions o ng thoughts nila sa inyo, binablock natin sila agad. Or minsan sinasabi natin na, wala yan anak, pagod lang yan, ipahinga mo lang yan, di ba? Empathize and comfort them by giving them a simple pat on the back or a hug, di ba? Never correct their thoughts or their emotion, but simply tell them na, anak, naiintindihan ko yung pinagdadaanan mo, alam kong mahirap yan.
Tama yan. Number 2, we have to reassure our children that they are never alone. While it may be true that no one really knows when this whole new thing will end, kailangan ipaalam natin sa mga anak natin that we are there for them, that the entire family will get through this together. Parents, take this as an opportunity to minister to your children by telling them what the Bible is saying. Like Paris, you know, the Lord will never leave you. The Lord will never abandon nor forsake you. The Lord promises a bright future, a good hope, a better tomorrow for you. So, hindi pa katapusan ng mundo, anak.
Number 3, pray with your child. I believe the best weapon to combat anxiety and frustration is prayer.
Amen.
By praying with your child, you are teaching her to surrender not just her future, but every battle unto the Lord.
And last, be a good role model. Alam niyo po, children will react to and follow your reactions. Kaya dapat bilang magulang, kakitaan nila tayo ng magandang ehemplo, makita nila sa atin that despite of what's happening, we are positive, we know how to handle stress. As parents, it is natural to protect, to nurture, and to provide good things in life for our children. However, we also need to teach, to train, and to raise them to overcome difficulties on their own so they can build resilience.
Love means giving your children wings to fly. Lagi po nating tandaan na ang mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Napagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire, kasama si Paris para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy Buhay!
Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.